Hi, this is Steve from Rooferr911. I'm at a home in Fairfax, Virginia, and here you can see the ceiling collapsed because the insulation inside the attic absorbed the water, and the drywall could not hold the weight, so it fell down. Here, when you look in the infrared, you can see there's a lot more wet insulation up inside the attic. So this area here, this is only where the water has settled. That leak could be originating from anywhere above. So I'm going to check this room over here too. But let me just show you something here. You see all that blue? That's all saturated insulation. And see if I see it in here. Oops, there's a little bit of mold here. Yeah, you can see it's all wet here. And this is about 8 feet away, further up the roof from where they see the leak inside the home. But let me check over in here too. Okay, you don't see any wetness here, but there you do. Yeah, it's all wet here. Okay, this is all good. Okay, I need to go outside to see exactly what's causing this leak. It's a very good chance this roof is going to need to be replaced. Again. Okay, I'm up on the roof. You can see we have a lot of storm damage here. A lot of shingles blew off. So the water is leaking in a lot of different areas. Most of the water is going to settle down below, but a lot of that water is going to leak up here too. And you can see there's missing shingles over here, and here, and here, here, over here down near the gutter line. Also, there's a problem here. Somebody caulked the roof with cement. So I highly recommend for this roof to be removed and replaced. And here you can see they use staples here to fasten this roof. Staples used to be popular many years ago, about 30-something years ago. But now everything is done with roofing nails. The nails will hold the shingles into place much better than staples. So again, I highly recommend for this roof to be removed and replaced.